Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Photos. First, download the Amazon Photos app on your mobile device or desktop computer. Then, simply log in with your existing Amazon account. If you are a Prime member, you enjoy unlimited full-resolution photo storage, a fantastic benefit. Non-Prime members still receive 5 gigabytes of free storage for their photos and videos, which is a great starting point for everyone. It's quick and easy to get set up. Once you are set up, uploading your memories is simple. You can enable automatic backup to ensure all new photos and videos from your device are saved without effort. Alternatively, manually upload specific files or even entire folders directly from your computer. To keep everything tidy, create custom albums to categorize and manage your growing collection. Plus, the powerful search bar helps you quickly locate any specific image you need in moments. Sharing your cherished moments with loved ones is incredibly easy. You can share individual photos or entire albums with friends and family through a simple link. For collaborative storage, create a family vault, allowing up to 5 people to share unlimited photo storage. Access your entire photo library from any web browser, your smartphone, or other compatible devices. You can even order high-quality prints and photo products directly from the app. Amazon Photos offers several advanced features to enhance your experience. Use facial recognition to automatically group photos of specific people, making them easy to find. After backing up, you can safely free up valuable space on your device, knowing your memories are secure. Enjoy your photo slideshows on larger screens like Fire TV or Echo Show devices. Remember, if you accidentally delete something, you can restore it from the trash within 90 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.